only use one plastic tool as well.
Let's check out the cap mounting. 2 taps at the bottom, 2 hooks here, 4 taps at the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the flat tap at the corner. If you try to twist the cap off, you might break some tabs off, so it's better way to lay the tab toward you. Start from corner of the mirror right here. Get your plastic tool underneath that.
The bottom is down, then pry open the top. The side one just pry open from the bottom. Check the buttons and tops are loose. Take the cap off towards you. Install a new cap. And check every tab. That's it. You got a brand new cap for your car. Hope you enjoy it.